Hi Queen, Dr. Niti here. The star of the show today, Dinner with Dr. Niti, is Kabocha. It's Japanese pumpkin, which the inside is very similar color to other pumpkin, but the outside I want to show you the skin is green. But if you cook enough, you can actually eat the skin as well. But in this case, we are not, because we're not steaming it, so it's not that soft. And I stir fry. Traditionally from my culture, we stir fry this with garlic, onion, and season it with white pepper. And I add this umami with mushroom powder from Trader Joe. And you use avocado oil, which is high in smoke point for 70 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's safe for cooking. Do not use vegetable oil, please. And those things have hexane, a lot of chemicals to be able to change the smell and the look. So that's not recommended. And last time we talked about the onion, that when it's not cooked, it's even more beneficial. Onion have a lot of health benefits, with even having anti-cancer, and good for gut health, good for immune function. And then garlic also have good function for immune system, and also antiseptic, right? Then we use this stir fry. You can put on the to make tostada with the organic corn disc. And then we top with microgreen. I got arugula microgreen, which is anti-cancer, good for heart health, bone health, and also your gut health, and good for immune function. Kabocha itself, high in fiber, low in fat, so good for weight loss and eye health, gut health, heart health, low in glycemic index, so definitely good for blood sugar and weight. And together I also add the black bean. So black bean have anti-cancer and good for weight management, high in fiber, low in fat, right? And good for gut health, and also for heart health as well. Then if you're not vegetarian, you can do octopus. I love octopus. Octopus is high in protein, low fat, and of course low glycemic index, right? And then octopus also high in B12 and iron, so, and selenium as well, so good for heart and brain health. Then you put them together. I also stir fry with egg, and that's for non-vegetarian or non-vegan person. Egg adds choline for the yolk, but if you don't use yolk, just egg white and high in protein, so can be good, high protein, low fat, low carb dish. And you can add lime. It's good for skin health. Kabocha, by the way, a lot of vitamin A in kabocha, good for skin and eye health as well. And lime is good for your immune function and skin health. So here you have it, Dinner with Dr. Niti. Stir fry kabocha to make it into tostada, or you can combine it with or by itself with roasted octopus. Season it well. A lot of these seasoning, such as the mushroom that we use here, or if you use spice such as turmeric or pepper, those things have health benefit as well. So here you have it. Love to y'all. See you in the next video. Thank you for listening. Check out www.longevityhealthchannel.com for more tips and tools. Love you. Bye for now.